Hey Plant Pals, by the Gardener, and today's little update video is on the dead unit that I rescued. And just look, it's been probably maybe 10 days since I last showed it, and I'm going to show you what's been happening with it. First, we have the basil still producing beautifully. We have my Fresno chili pepper plant, and if you can see down in here, we've got decent sized Fresno peppers. And this is the first round, and usually they're really tiny the first batch. Oh, we got a couple of them. Look at that. There's at least 3 in this shot right now. Nope, 4. Wow, that's amazing. I don't mean to get too excited because, you know, it could die on me at any minute, but when you're chaotic and things actually produce for you, it's exciting. I don't know if there's any on this one yet, but oh yeah, there we go. Right back there. Still has this little skirt on, as I call it. Knock it off. It's a little hat. Don't be too rough with it. There we go. See? Took its little hat off there from the flower. So I've got a couple. So yeah, I have a couple growing there, and I have at least I think 6 on this one. And look how small this plant is. This plant is, if I can show my finger, so maybe 5 inches tall, 4 inches tall. And it's already got almost full size Fresno chili peppers growing off of it. Oh, need more back there. Look at that. That is amazing. Alright. And then my favorite cherry tomato, the microdwarf tomato, is the bonsai. And I've already harvested, there was like 2 or 3 that came in since my last video. I harvested those, and the plant is still growing like crazy. It's growing up above the light here. Oh, we got tomatoes. I didn't even see those. All right, that's really exciting. Okay, so you know, the moral of the story is don't give up on an opportunity to grow plants. Like I said, this unit didn't do anything for me other than hold the fluid. I mean, I added my own pumps, which are the air stones, and I added my own lights. But I have results, so that's fun. So like I've said in an earlier video, I show my successes, I show my failures, but you know, that's the fun of it for me. Yeah, so that's pretty exciting. All right. Neat. I'm very happy. All right. Any comments, questions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.